Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be talking about the new feature which got added in the Wi-Fi network, which is scanning the Wi-Fi. So this option is present already in the MI and Redmi smartphones, where you can actually scan the Wi-Fi network from the other smartphone. So this is most useful feature for me because I got so many phones. So every time it's not possible for me to remember the Wi-Fi password and enter every time. So that's why I'll be preferring to choose this kind of scanning options in the other smartphones. But right now with the new update in the Realme X2 Pro, so you will be able to just scan the barcode and automatically connect to the Wi-Fi network. So this will be the fastest way to connect to the any Wi-Fi router right now. So if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe and also do check the links in description for more details about the Realme X2 Pro. You can find latest information on the software updates and using after 250 days videos as well. So try to check the latest videos. So let's get started with the Wi-Fi here. So once you open the Wi-Fi network, on the top right corner you can see the scanning option. So right now this is a POCO F2 Pro I am using here. So in the POCO F2 Pro in the Wi-Fi network, you do have option to share the QR code like this, as you can see here. So right now I can use the Realme X2 Pro phone to scan directly. As you can see friends, as soon as I scan, it will directly connect to the same Wi-Fi network and it's connected. So without even entering the password. So this is another good way and fastest way to scan. And not only that, if you want to share the Realme X2 Pro's Wi-Fi to the other phone also you can do. As you can see here, Wi-Fi QR code, there's an option, and right now this QR code is generated from the Realme X2 Pro and you can connect from the other smartphones. So let me try to open the camera application in the POCO F2 Pro. So directly from the camera app, you can actually connect to the QR code as well. So the QR code will be detected here and the Wi-Fi, as you can see, connect to this network. So in this way, you can actually scan the QR code and you can connect to the Wi-Fi network, or you can generate the QR code and you can make other phones to connect to the Realme X2 Pro's like Wi-Fi network. So this is another best option friends. This is found in the latest new update in the Realme X2 Pro phone. So in case if you are the user of the Realme X2 Pro, you will be seeing this update as soon as possible. And once you got this update, try to use this kind of features in your smartphone. So do comment below what are the new features you like in the new update as well. So thank you for watching this video. This is a very small video where I just want to cover this Wi-Fi scanning new thing in the Realme X2 Pro smartphone. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.